Hello everybody, my name is Ben here with the Master Stealth Gaming Crew, bringing you another video. Today's video is, sadly, nothing stealth, but I have been getting back into Payday, and I'm planning on recording another video for you guys very soon, and that will be quite nice, and that's with Payday. In the meantime, I'm just doing some more Tribes Ascend, CSGO, stuff like that I've been posting, and today's video is going to be me showing off not a new class, but a class I haven't covered yet, called the Soldier. The Soldier is a class that I guess I categorize as a chaser class, along with, I guess you could consider the Sentinel, and the Raider. Oh God! I destroyed that guy. I'm gonna destroy that one. Fuck, I'm about to die! No! AIDS! Yeah! Anyhow, I consider it like a chasing class used for following up, chasing a flag. Not so much taking it, because that doesn't go well. Because if it gets knocked out of your hands, then you're kind of screwed. And it's just like your average everyday class. It can hit heavy, it can take out pretty much all forms of enemy, and can dish out some good damage. And its way it's set up is also pretty damn good. Now I'm gonna just throw into this group, because there's a bunch of enemies here, and I just committed suicide. Wow, that fucking sucks now, doesn't it? Raider. So yeah, it's a hunting down class. It's a following up the enemy cap. Stuff like that, simple things. But things that, need to be done, and it does a lot of damage, this class. I'm right now running the dual fuser, which hits for about 2/3 of a normal fuser, and it fires 2 of these off quick, so you could pretty much double tap someone with this, or at least dish out, 1.5 of a spin fuser shot, which is a lot of damage. Spin fusers hit hard. And then this secondary that I'm running is the spare spin fuser. And the spare spin fuser I really like because it does, I think, a little more damage than the average spin fuser. And it's this one actually shoots a disc. It's a dick fuser. It's a disc fuser, unlike most spin fusers that are in the game currently, which create their own round within their I guess chamber. I don't know how to put that. Light him up some more. That's the one issue, clipping people in midair. Yeah. So anyhow, while I was getting sidetracked, to continue, the spin fusers can hit pretty hard. They do good damage, which is really useful for playing a class like this. And the way you really want to play this class is to wait till they're on the low and then fire when they're landing and when you're in the air, because that's when you get the most effective use out of your spin fuser. It takes talent, I guess, and skill to properly learn a spin fuser, and how to, operate a spin fuser to get those mid-air clips that you always want to get, where you can hit a guy mid-air and just clip him out. Because when you make full contact with a spin fuser, you're doing 10 times more damage than you were initially. Now I'm gonna probably die here, but for a better cause. Ah, damn it. Dick stole my kill. Ha! I die. Screaming for health. Help. And now I'm gonna fire one of these off. Fire one of these off. Get the kill. Ooh! That was a clusterfuck, but I got one. Got one. Yay. So That's that. They need to fix our generator, please. I want to get a vehicle in this video. Now to do my job. What? Oh yeah, the spare spin fuser has terrible blast radius. Yeah, we need to get him, so boost of speed time. Oh. What is he doing? This guy knows what he's doing. I think. That cannot be natural ice formation right there. That is not. Just saying. Also, those don't look too real either, but getting sidetracked. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of gameplay of this. That should sometimes, because there is a bit of a gap when firing this weapon, that when you do shoot it, I guess, and you're moving fast, there's gonna be a gap in between your shots, so you should compensate to either the right or the left if you're shooting from the side. Give me that shit. Fuck that guy. U-Haul. I don't even like the service that the company provides. To borrow a truck. Stealing from small businesses. Exactly. No, I don't give two fucks. Powerade! Powerade, kill it! What the fuck? Powerade! I fucked up. Alright guys, so I just want to bring you a small little video. I don't know if I'm going to finish off the gameplay. You know I am, because I want to get the generator back online. Because I need myself a... Don't do it! Don't do it! I need myself a vehicle. Oh, fuck, he's gone. Don't even bother. Oh yeah, at least I have the spare spin fuser on. That's a better one. I do honestly prefer the spare spin fuser over either of the spin fusers. Ow! Fuck, that hurt. Ow! Ow! Shit! What? That's BS! Auto target me? Come on! That's absolutely bullshit. Return the flag. Nice, we got the return. Ah, fuck. Oh, come on! That's bullshit. Oh, yes! Generator run. Shrike time. Come on. Shrike time. Shrike, 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 shrike. Yes. Boom, baby. I love this thing. It's so fun. Oh, well, that guy's also a dick and brought me down from full health to nothing health. So he can go. Damn it! I messed up. I'm sorry, guys. I fucked it up. And look, the air show is done. They're going in our generator, and I will go meet them and say hi. You guys think that's a good idea? Ah, well, no. Now I have like 50 health, which is like having 5 health. There's no difference. Everything will kill you. Exactly. Alright, guys. I'm done with the Master Stealth Game Crew. I hope you liked this little video. And you guys, thanks so much for watching.